Hey love, and welcome back to another video. For those of you who are new here, I'm your girl Pauline, your lock educator, your lock everything, okay? Y'all see this fresh retie? Let me tell y'all about this fresh retie, baby. Over the holiday break, I started retightening my own hair. Yes, I typically have my sister retighten my hair, but she wasn't available, so I started retightening my hair. I got 3/4 of the way done, and my arms was like, what are you doing to me? My neck was like, girl, let's get somebody else to finish. So I had to do just that. So I worked, and my sister and Tia finished the top for me. But anywho, just wanted to say to all those who self-retie, more power to you, baby. All right. So I am going to show you guys how I achieve this style. My hair has got longer, so I want to try, just some new curls. Want to see how I can curl my hair because, as your hair gets longer, it doesn't hold curls like it normally would if it was shorter. So I'm experiencing different, I'm experimenting with this new length that I have, and we'll see how it goes. All right, so typically when I curl my hair, I'm using those sponge rollers, um, the ones that's covered in satin, but this is slightly different. For those of you who've seen my other curler videos, these are still sponge rollers, but it's the ones that you clip on, right? So those are the type of rollers I'm using. It comes in 3 different sizes, and of course I got them from Amazon. Y'all know everything, child. I get this from Amazon. So I'm using 3 different size. You have the like almost like the jumbo size, and then you have the medium, and then you have the small. So I'm gonna do the small in the front, and then do the bigger ones in the back. All right, so I am using rose water to spray my hair to dampen it a little bit because my hair is completely dry. So in order for hair to kind of hold curls a little bit, it is best to do it damp. I didn't want to use any foam because I didn't have any at home with me. So we're just using rose water to dampen and also to hydrate my locks. I also sprayed it on my scalp because rose water is good for hydrating your scalp too. So if your scalp is feeling dry, you need something light that is not going to clog your follicles. Rose water, any type of hydrosol water will work. Unless you have what is it, seborrheic dermatitis or psoriasis. If you have those scalp conditions, if you're going to use a hydrating mist, just make sure that it's not minty or has like eucalyptus, tea tree, or anything overly stimulating, because it is going to, it's not going to feel good for your scalp, and it's going to aggravate your scalp even more. So stick with rose water, and so forth. Okay, so here I am curling. Y'all see how I want them curls to be, right? So I'm curling my hair in a way for it to fan back, because the reason why I wanted to do this is I don't like too much hair on my face. I have sensitive, oily skin. I break out easily, so I don't like my hair in my face, because I don't want any product that might be in my hair to, mess with my face and causes breakout. So I am doing this style to keep my hair away from my face, but also to have curls. And I like bigger, looser curls. I'm not necessarily one to do pipe cleaner curls. Those are more tighter Shirley Temple curls. I used to do those when my hair was like mid back. And if I wanted a shorter look, I would go with those type of curls. But since I have right now my locks are shoulder length, I am doing these curls just to kind of roll it so it can give it some type of body. Y'all know I like body, okay? One of the reasons why I keep my hair short, because the longer your hair gets, the less full it looks. It just sits there. It's just limp to me. So if you want body, layers shorter than, just long, because long is just going to be just there, right? Okay. All right. So I am curling rolling the hair that's in front of my face away, up and away from my face, okay? And then the back, I am going to curl the back just normal, just curl it down. So that's what I wanted to do for the front. You could use smaller sections if you want to, but maybe I wanted just, big loose curls. All right, so I am curling the back and I'm just curling it, rolling it in the regular way. I'm rolling it down instead of up. So the back is just going to be hanging down because I just want the back to be like really loose and relaxed. I don't need anything too curly, okay? So I just rolled it normal. The front away from my face and the back rolled down. You can see at the bottom, I put the smaller ones on top. I put the bigger rollers and then went from big to medium and so forth. All right. Put my bonnet on and I am good to go. Okay. Okay, so I did this a couple of hours before bed. If you have long, thick hair, baby, it's going to need to sit a little bit longer, and I would recommend not doing it a couple of hours before bed because if you're damping your hair and you got thick hair and then you putting a bonnet on, you might just end up with mildew hair if it does not dry, okay? So, yeah. All right, so I am just taking this the curlers out, and as you can see, I only left it in for a couple of hours. I think I did this like 6 in the evening and took it out like 6 in the morning. So literally like 12 hours or a little under 12 hours, and this is the curls I got. You want it curlier, you have to leave it in longer, or if you're someone who can withstand the dryer, you can sit under the dryer. I never sit under the dryer because I cannot stand the heat. I can't stand the heat. So yes, all right. So I am just positioning these curls and fixing it, toying around with it. And while I do that, baby, if you are a loctician and you have not registered for the Locpreneur Experience Seminar, April 17th through the 19th for VIP attendees, and then April 18th through the 19th for general attendees. This business event will take place in Norcross, Georgia at the Crown Plaza Hotel for locticians who are serious about taking their business to the next level. So if you're looking to grow your business and take it to the next level and really grow behind and beyond the chair, this event is for you, okay? So get in there, all right? Okay, moving on. Y'all see them curls, baby? Yes, this is the next day. So it's so funny because I'm at work, and when I went to go get my client, she's like, okay, James Bond girl. I was like, ah! But anywho, let me know what y'all think about these curls, okay? Talk soon.